Good day, my name is Anna Maria Millan, and this is my presentation about DAO number 2000-98, also known as Mine Safety and Health Standards. Here are the objectives: to promote a culture of safety and health, to provide for strict enforcement of safety and health, and so on, and to comply with the international law obligations of the government relating to mine safety and health. And for the scope and coverage, this order shall govern all employers, employees, contractors, permittees, service contractors, and other entities engaged in any exploration, mining, quarrying, mineral processing, and other allied or related operations. Here are the definitions of terms. You have the order, bureau, director, accident frequency rate, accident severity rate, authorized nuclear device operators, blaster, blasting area, contractor, decommissioning, detonator, dose limits, dredge, electrical installations, electrical supply equipment, employee, employer, excavation. Explosive, hot material, inhabited building, imminent danger, leaching, liquefied petroleum gas, lost time accident, fatal, lost time accident, non-fatal, magazine manager, material safety data sheet or MSDS, mechanical equipment, machinery or process, mechanical works plan, mining operations, non-lost time accident, occupational health practitioner, part-time safety engineer, plant, prime cartridge producing mine, radiological safety and health officer, regional director, service contractor, service contract workers, surface working, supervisor, trackless unit, traffic control, underground working, workshop. For Section 1, we have the accident and illnesses. A record shall be kept for all occupational accident and illnesses occurring in a mine in a form prescribed by the Bureau. A detailed report shall be submitted to the director or regional director or his duly authorized representative within 15 days after notice of knowing by the employer of the accident. And when any physical injury result in the death of the person injured, a health-threatening occurrences, the employer or his duly authorized representative must give notice thereof to the director, regional director, or their duly authorized representative without delay. Rule 5, monthly employer's report of accident or sickness. Monthly statistical data on accident for Rule 6. And then, moving on with Section 2, classification of mines and service contractors. So there are four classes of mines: the Class A, Class B, Class C, and Class D. A Class A mine shall have one full-time safety engineer and one full-time safety inspector. A Class D mines shall have one full-time safety inspector and at least one full-time safety engineer. A Class C mine shall have at least one part-time safety engineer and one full-time safety inspector, plus a deputy safety inspector. Rule 11, Class D mines shall have at least one part-time safety engineer and one full-time safety inspector. For Section 3, establishment of safety and health organization. Section 4, qualifications of safety men. For duties and responsibilities, the employers must perform the following tasks on their end, and also the safety engineer, safety inspector, deputy safety inspector also have the following responsibilities to perform. And then moving on with Section 6, we have the rights of employees. So employees shall have the following rights. Employees' representatives shall exercise the following rights: represent workers of all aspects in safety and health matters, including, where applicable, the exercise of rights provided in Rule 23. For Section 7, duties of employees and employees' representatives. Section 8, Central Safety and Health Committee. So every employer shall ensure that a Central Safety and Health Committee is established within 1 month from the start of the operation. The Central Safety and Health Committee shall perform the following responsibilities. Section 9, Safety and Health Training. Section 10, Stoppage, Resumption, and Decommissioning of Operations. And then under Chapter 6 is the underground mining rules. So here are the general provisions. And then in Section 14 is the provision about protection against water. Section 15 is subsidence, loose or running ground supports. And Section 16 up to Section 35. Section 36, block caving, and racing, fueling, and servicing mine rescue organization. So mine rescue team shall maintain a minimum of 12 fully trained men. Chapter 7, Surface Mining Rules. We have the following provisions: loading operation, drilling operation, hauling operation, hydraulicking, surface electrical cable, and dredging. Section 47, Heavy Equipment Operations. So the following are listed under the category of heavy equipment. We have the utility tractors, mobile concrete mixer, load haul dump, low profile truck or LHD/LPT, concrete shotcrete pump, jumbo drills, rock breakers, mobile rock breakers, creepers, crane graders, and loaders. Then Section 48, Offshore Mining. Then for Section 49, Preparation of an Emergency Response and Preparedness Program. And under Chapter 11 are the provisions about explosives. We have the mine blaster format, construction of magazine, provision about storing, transportation, handling, electric blasting, bootlegs, and misfires. And then Section 57, Special Rules for the Transportation, Storage, and Use of Ammonium Nitrate and ANFO. And then Chapter 12, Occupational Health. We have provisions about noise control, illumination, hygiene and sanitation, toxic and hazardous substance, ventilation and control of dust, fumes, oppressive air, and corrosive water. Personal protective equipment, health hazard control. For mechanical safety rules, we have provisions about workshop equipment, pumps, air compressors, and other stationary equipment, boilers and pressure vessels, internal combustion engines, standard reeling guards, tow boards, explosive actuated tools. Then Section 71, Fire Protection. Section 72, Traffic, Driving, and Transportation. Section 73, Warehousing. Section 74, Storage, and Section 75, Handling. And Chapter 22, about coal. We have provisions about its storage and proper handling. And then Chapter 23, Construction Safety. We have provisions about the use and care of hand tools, construction and installation of ladders, working on top platform and scaffolds, civil works, demolition, painting, welding, and cutting operations. So that will be the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for listening and watching. Have a good day.